What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a epoxy woodworking art piece for you. I'll be doing a Bob Marley silhouette. Anyways, I'm going to apologize in advance for the quality of this video, but anyways, let's get started. So first off, what I did is I cleaned off all the live edges with a wire wheel. Also used a cutter bit and a chisel just to clean off the edges and make it so that when I pour the epoxy, it has a nice bond to it. There's no dirt in between, and it doesn't separate. So now I'm putting on the template. This is what I'm going to be carving out today. I used a printer paper with a sticky back, so I can just stick it right on and do my carving like that. First, I did a bit of the outline, and then I went in and did the bulk of the shading that I had to cut out. So for all the fine lines and the eyes and the little details, I used a diamond sanding bit or my Dremel. By the way, I'm using a Dremel with a flex shaft attachment. Makes it easier, it kind of works like a pen. But yeah, I used a fine diamond bit sanding just to get all the little details. Now what I'm doing is I'm pre-filling the carving, the cutout, just so that when I do my pour on here, I don't get as many air bubbles. You still have to torch it, but yeah, I ended up using a black metallic, obviously, because we're doing a silhouette today. But this is one of my first mistakes, other than when this is one of my first mistakes, is I kind of over poured it, and I probably should have done it in 2 coats, and did the first one, let it cure for a bit, and then do the second one. It would have been a lot less work in the end, less sanding and planing and chiseling. I also added some white in there to kind of make some patterns and a bit of red. But anyways, I have my form here. I didn't have any red tape, so I used clear tape so that when I pour the resin, it won't stick to it. It actually ended up working out pretty good, so in the end it worked out fine. And I'm using just some kind of particle board with like the plastic veneer on it. But yeah, I used a royal purple for the live edges. Now I probably should have done this in 2 or 3 pours, because it was a pretty deep gap, probably maybe like 3/4 of an inch, 7/8, or it was close to an inch. But yeah, I ended up getting air bubbles, but it ended up kind of hiding once I got the clear coat on, so it didn't look too bad in the end. But anyways, I over poured it, as you can see, so I had to do a lot of planing and sanding, but in the end it didn't turn out too bad. Now the sandpaper I used was 80 grit all the way up to about 1500. I might not have had all the sandpaper I should have had, but the way I would have done is 80 grit, 120 or 150, then jump to 200 or 240, then you go to 320, 340, 400, and then after that it's all the finishing sanding, so you go to maybe 600, 800 grit, and then you can go up to 1000, then either finish off at 1500 or 2000, up to you, depends how kind of finish you get. The more you sand it, the better finish you'll get in the end. But I ended up brushing it, so I didn't end up getting swirl marks. It didn't turn out the greatest, but that's okay. So anyways, now it's all clear coated. I did the polishing and everything. I used some plastic X that you just buy at any store, any kind of plastic polish. Yeah, I clear coated it. You can see I kind of had a little accident. I spilled a bunch, but it didn't end up ruining it. The clear coat ended up hiding a lot of the air bubbles, but yeah, if you look up close, you can see it. Maybe not on camera, but also had a little blob there. But yeah, other than the air bubbles and the little nicks, it turned out pretty good, and I like how it turned out. I also didn't fill in the back completely because you're not really not gonna look at it unless you have it facing that way for some reason. But yeah. Anyway, so that's it for today's video. Peace, guys.